Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tabitha Ravis. Today I want to talk to you about first impressions. I'm pretty sure most of you have heard the saying, first impressions matter, you gotta make a first impression, because first impressions are lasting, and it's true. When you really think about it, you get first impressions of people all the time, and similarly people are getting these impressions of you just based on simple things like the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you dress yourself, the way you groom yourself. Everything contributes to someone making an impression of you when they first see you. And that is super important because it could be a good impression, it could be a bad impression. And there are two things. It's called the halo effect and the horn effect. And the thing is that the halo effect is something like a good thing, because it's when someone gets a good impression of you and then they basically think of you in a good way overall. And then the horn effect is when someone gets a bad first impression of you and then they have a bad impression of you overall. So like for instance, let's say you showed up late for something, like a job interview or something, whatever, an event, and then some people may think that you're just someone who's late all the time. They'll think that you have bad time management skills, you can't get yourself somewhere on time, you're careless, and they'll just have these really bad negative feelings about you. But if you show up early, if you show up nice and neat and clean, then they may think, oh, she's well put together, she's organized, she's amazing, that kind of thing. So the thing about it is, in order to give off a first impression, you also have to, other than looking amazing and neat and clean and being on time, etc. It's to really feel happy, to really feel good, positive emotions, because negative emotions can really cause someone else to feel bad about you. The way to really feel awesome, to leave a good first impression, is to just really think positive thoughts, think happy thoughts. What makes you happy? What do you love? Can you think about something that you love to change the way you feel if you're not feeling totally amazing at one particular time? Listen to music, talk to someone like your best friend or whatever. That's pretty much what I have to talk to you about today. So remember that. And that is why we put effort into the way we look. That's why we put effort and attention into grooming skills and just overall happiness. Remember that even if you don't leave a good impression on someone, don't stress out about it, because stress is a negative emotion and you don't want negative emotions in your life. As much as possible, try to be positive, try to think great thoughts, and that is pretty much it. There's nothing more important than your happiness, and if you're happy, you basically leave a good impression. Think about it. Have you ever been so thrilled, like in such a good mood, and everyone just treats you better? It's happened to me a lot. This is one time I was in the shopping mall, in Trinidad, and I was in a really awesome mood. I was going to see a movie all alone, and it was awesome. I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to see a movie all alone. That's fine. I'm so thrilled. There's nothing wrong with watching a movie alone, so I was absolutely thrilled. And just walking around waiting because the movie had like a while to start. And yeah, like I had this pep in my step kind of thing, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. Everyone was like, kind of looking at me. I don't know, like. So remember that. Think about amazing moments all the time. There's nothing wrong with being sad, really, but you really want to try to be happy. No one wants to be sad, but if you're sad, like, just try to cheer up, That's basically my point right here. And also to be on your best behavior. Okay, bye for now. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment below and let me know some of your moments when you've been in such a great mood and you just were getting really great attention, and you're just feeling this great energy around you. Bye. See you in the next video.